Good morning, children. Once again, I welcome you to the online class, children. Hoping that all are doing good for your examinations. Firstly, I want to tell you about some points how to fill up OMR sheet. Children, in science subject, combining three subjects, I think physics, chemistry and biology. From physics part you have 15 questions, from chemistry part you have 13 questions and biology it is 12 questions. Altogether 40 questions. Question number 40 to question number 80 will be the serial number of the questions, children. And for each question there will be 4 options given like A, B, C, D. Which is the right answer, you have to choose. You should shade that answer option with blue ballpoint pen or black ballpoint pen. This is regarding the shading of the OMR sheet for each subject. Children, the questions arised for you for this academic year for the examination are most of the questions are from the exercise part only. So try to concentrate more on the exercise part questions, not paragraph answers or interior. Concentrate more on the exercise questions. And some questions which we have skipped, the chapters which we have skipped also, some questions are there, children. Please try to concentrate on them also. Children, starting from 41 to 41, it is physics part of the question. For every question there will be 4 options. You have to choose the right option and you should shade that correctly, children. See that you maintain neatness while filling or shading the answers. 41st question, which of the following terms does not represent electric power in a circuit? For that right answer is, children, B option it is IR square. 42nd question. Children, 41st question, B option is the right answer, IR square. So 41st question it is here. Same thing you should shade in the OMR sheet. 41st question, B is the right answer. Okay, children, we'll go for next question. The SI unit of electric charge is option A volt, option B ampere, option C coulomb, option D it is joule. So right answer is C, children. Then in the OMR sheet you should shade C option as coulomb, children. Try to shade the circle fully, children, not half. Next, 43rd question. The device used for producing electric current is called A option generator, B option galvanometer, C option ammeter, D option is motor. The name itself will suggest you the right answer, children. Please think it over while reading the options. In the question itself you have the answer. Generator is the right answer, that is option A. Same thing you should fill in the OMR sheet as option A. You should shade it neatly, children. Next, 44th question, children. Which of the following statement does not represent Ohm's law? Means here they have questioned you which is not Ohm's law. Means some wrong statement is there. It is not representing the Ohm's law. So for this 44th right answer is, children, C, I think. See, potential difference equal to current into resistance. So same thing, C option you should fill, you should shade in the OMR sheet. Next, children, 45th question. When light goes from one media to another, the characteristics that remain and unaffected is its option A speed, option B direction, option C wavelength, option D it is frequency. So the right answer For this will be frequency, option D children. Same you should shade in the OMR sheet as option D. While shading you should be very in particular children. See the question number and then only you choose the right option and shade it. Next, 46th question children. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is, means what is the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction, they question. For that right options are given. A option, the process of charging a body. B option, the process of generating magnetic field due to a current passing through a coil. Option C, producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. Option D, the process of rotating a coil of an electric motor. For this 46th question, C is the right answer children. So you should say shade C in OMR sheet. What is that right answer children? Producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. Next we will go for 47th question children. A turbine cannot be rotated by. See children, while you are reading the question you should be very careful. Here they did not ask you a turbine cannot be rotated, not can be rotated. In hurry you will be reading wrongly. So please, not one time, twice or thrice you read the questions. Got it children? A turbine cannot be rotated by. Option A it is flowing water, heat of sun. B option. C option is steam. D option is moving wind. I think B is the right answer. Heat of the sun. Same. 47th question, B option. Same here. 47th question, B option you should shade children. Okay. Now we will move for 48th question children. Which of the following is not an example of a biomass energy source? Biomass energy they have been asked children. Which is not an example for biomass. So for 48 it is D is the right answer children. So in the OMR sheet I am filling D. Why? Because coal is an fossil fuel. It doesn't comes under which biomass energy. Got it children? Coal is an fossil fuel. Next we are going for 49th question children. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, what happens to the current in the circuit? B option, reduces substantially. B option, does not change. C option, increase heavily. D option, vary continuously. For 49 children, it is C children, increase heavily. 49th, it is C option. In the OMR sheet, you should shade C option. Next, 50th question children. Natural gas contains dash % of methane gas. They are given you 4 options like A option 96, B option 97, C option 3 and D option 93 children. Right answer is A option 96. Then you should shade A option. Now you are familiar I think how to shade the OMR sheet. Same way for each subject. You have to shade in this manner only. Soon after choosing there, you should see the question number and see the right option and you should shade. If you make any mistakes in the OMR sheets, they are not going to provide you any extra OMR sheet to you. So be careful. Maintain neatness. Understood children? Next we'll go for 51st question children. Choose the incorrect statement. Means there are correct statements. One is incorrect in this. You have to shade that. Fleming's right hand rule is example rule to know the direction of induced current. It is option A. Option B is The right hand thumb rule is used to find direction of magnetic field due to current carrying conductors. Option C is the difference between the direct and alternating current is that the direct current always flows in one direction, but the alternating current reversed by direction periodically. I think for fifth and D option in the children. In the AC changes direction after every 1/50th second children, that is D option. I think you know the right answer is C option children. I will not explain again and again to how to fill the OMR sheet. Now I will directly say you the right options. C is the right option for 51st question, that is the difference between the direct and alternating current is that the direct current always flows in one direction, but the alternating current reversed in direction periodically. This is the incorrect statement. Next, it is 52nd question. The power plant in which natural gas of energy is directly used to rotate turbines is. Concentrate on the question, children. They asked you natural source of energy. So, for that right answer is B option, hydroelectric power plant. Got it, children? Next, 53rd question. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid or in the form of parallel straight line. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is option A, very high, option B, uniform, option C, 0, option D, produced by electricity. For that 53rd, it is B option is the right answer, children, that is uniform. Next, children, 54th question. I think last question of the physics part. Light ray travels from one medium to another with the same refractive index. Option A, the light ray bends less. Option B, the light rays bends more. Option C, bending of light does not occur. Option D is total internal reflection occurs. I think option C is the right answer, that is bending of light does not occur is the right part of the answer, children. Then same thing you should shade in the OMR sheet as C option. Now physics part. I think we completed physics 15 questions, children. From physics part we have completed 15 questions. Now chemistry starts with 14 questions. Children, in the examination, physics part, biology part and chemistry part will not be mentioned. They may mention or they will not mention, but you have to see that continuous numbers will be given for each question and you have to answer accordingly. Now 55th question, that is chemistry, it starts. A solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains option A, NaCl, sodium chloride, HCl, hydrochloric acid, lithium chloride and potassium chloride. 4 options are given. B option is the right answer, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Next, children, 56th question. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be option A, it is calcium, option B, carbon, option C, silicon, option D, it is iron. Option A, calcium is the right answer, children. Next, 57th question. Which of the following types of medicines used for treating indigestion? As we all know that option A, antacid. Option C, it is antacid is the right option for that question, children. 57th question. Next, 58th question. Which of the following has double bonds. They are given option A, ethane and oxygen. B option, nitrogen and ethane. C option, oxygen and methane. D option, methane and carbon dioxide, children. It is option C, oxygen and methane is the right answer, children. Next, 59th question. A metal that is liquid at room temperature is option A, sodium, option B, magnesium, option C, mercury, option D, lead. As we have familiar, liquid, the only liquid at room temperature is the metal, the liquid metal is mercury, children. So C answer, C option is the right answer. You have to shade C option as the right answer for 59 question, children. Now 60th question, children. Ethane with a molecular formula of C2H6 has option A, 6 covalent bonds, option B, 7 covalent bonds, option C, 8 covalent bonds, option D, 9 covalent bonds. For 60th, children, it is 7 covalent bonds. B option, children, is the right answer for 60th question. Next, 61st question, children. Butanol is a 4-carbon compound with a functional group. Option A, it is carboxylic acid. Option B, aldehyde. Option C, ketone. Option D, alcohol. C is the right answer, children. It is ketone group, ONE. It ends with ONE. Same, ketone also ends with ONE. Next, children, we'll go for 62 second question, children. That is, element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point, would most likely to be in the same group of the periodic table as. They are given you option sodium, magnesium, aluminium and silicon, children. It is right answer is B option. It is magnesium, children. B option is the right one. You have to shade in the OMR sheet B option. Next, for 63rd question, children. The element has 2 shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons. In this part, you have to concentrate. Options are given like neon, magnesium, boron, carbon. You should read the question once, not even twice, thrice also, children, to understand it, because the questions will be direct. Sometimes in hurry you read the question as wrongly and you take the wrong answer there. So here we should see the options also, children. Magnesium, boron, carbon and neon it is given. Neon, they are inert gases. They are inert gases. They have completely filled octet. So children, neon, A option is the right answer, children. Next, 64th question. An example for an metalloid is. For metalloid, they are given 4 options: germanium, carbon, calcium, oxygen. If you think 1-2 minutes, you will get the right answer in the options itself. See here, oxygen is not a metalloid, even calcium, even carbon, but right answer for the metalloid example is germanium. Option A is the right answer, children. Next, 65th question, children. The process of a substance reacts with an hydrogen in the presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst is known as, the process is known as, first option A, oxygenation, option B, hydrogenation, option C, reduction, option D, it is none of these. Children, name itself will suggest I was saying you. So B option is the correct one. Hydrogenation of oils we studied, isn't it? So B is the right option for 65th question. Next, we'll go for 66th question. That is, the presence of which ion makes water hard. Option A it is sodium, option B calcium, option C potassium, option D it is sulfate children. 66th question. So B is the right option, that is calcium children. Next 67th question. Food cans are coated with tin and not zinc because option A zinc is costlier than tin, option B zinc has higher melting point than tin, option C zinc is more reactive than tin, option D zinc is less reactive than tin. Children, if 4 options are given, most appropriate answers are 2 here. But which is more relatively nearer to this question, you should focus on that. Isn't it? So, right option is zinc is less reactive than tin. Option D is the right answer, children. Lastly, last question of the chemistry part, children. Al2O3 is an example of an acidic oxide, B, a basic oxide, C, an amorphatic oxide, option D it is neutral oxide. C is the right answer, children, that is amorphatic oxide, which reacts with both. It is an amorphatic oxide, children, is an example. They asked, isn't it, children? With this we complete our chemistry questions, children. Now we will go for biology part, children. 69th question starts from biology part, children. The kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for option A nutrition, option B respiration, option C excretion, option D it is transportation. Right answer is C, children, that is excretion. Isn't it? Next, 70th question. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy takes place in option A cytoplasm, option B mitochondria, option C chloroplast, option D nucleus. It is B is the right answer, option, that is mitochondria, children. Next, 71st question. The brain is responsible for option A thinking, option B regulating heartbeat, option C balancing the body, option D all the above. If you see this 71st question, all the 3 options are correct. So even the brain helps is in thinking, regulating heartbeat, balancing the body. All the 3 options. So D option is the right one, all the above, children. 72 question. The gap between 2 neurons is called A. Option A dendrite, option B synapse, option C axon, option D impulse. It is B option is the right answer, children, that is synapse. Next, 73rd question, children. Which of the following is not a part of male reproductive system? Here options are given, children. Testes, vas deferens, uterus and D is sperms, children. These 3 are the part. Option A, B and D are the male reproductive parts of the system, children. C option is female reproductive part. So right answer for 73rd is C option, it is uterus, children. Next, 74th question, children. The anther contains option A sepals, option B ovules, option C carpel, option D pollen grains. The right option is option D, it is pollen grains, children. Next, 75th question, children. In evolutionary terms, we have more in common with, options are given, a Chinese schoolboy, a chimpanzee, a spider, a bacterium. For that 75th question, a Chinese schoolboy is the right option. Means A option is the right, because other 3 are not humans. Only a Chinese schoolboy is an human. Isn't it, children? We have common is with human beings. Next, 76th question, children. Which of the following are environment friendly practices? To the environment, we are not harming the environment. That type of practice you should choose it. Option A, carrying cloth bag to put purchases in while shopping. Option B, switching off unnecessary lights and fans. Option C, walking to school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. Option D, all of the above. If you see option A, B and C, all the three are correct. So we'll go for option D, all of the other is the right option, right answer for 76th question. Next 77th question, children. Which of the following constitute a food chain? Option A, grass, wheat and mango. Option B, grass, goat and human. Option C, goat, cow and elephant. Option D, grass, fish and goat. Option B is the right answer, children, because grass is eaten by a goat and goat is in turn eaten by a human. So food chain example for food chain is option B is the right answer, children. Next 78th question, children. Depletion of ozone layer is mainly due to option A, CFC, B, carbon monoxide, C, methane, option D, it is pesticides. Children, option A is the right answer. Chlorofluorocarbons are the main cause for depletion of ozone layer. So option A, CFC is the right option for 78th question. Next 79th question. Kulhu is a type of A option dam, B option lake, C option canal, D option well. Think A option is the right one, children. It is a dam. 88th question, children. Last question. The practice of segregating the waste so that materials which can be recycled should be dumped in a place. For this practice, what is the name given to this? Option A, reduce. Option B, reuse. Option C, recycle. Option D, all the above. In the question itself, they have mentioned here recycle. So option C is the right answer, children. Recycle is the right option for 88th question. With this, I end my clearing key answers for your science part question paper, children. Please try to concentrate. Again and again I am requesting you all to concentrate on the questions more while you are reading. In a hurry, don't read the questions and mark wrong answers. After marking the wrong one, if you ask for another OMR, they are not going to provide you any OMRs. See that the OMR is maintained very clean, neat, and you should be very perfect in shading the OMRs, children. Thank you, children. Thank you.